What's up, guys? It's me here.
And me,
my
Kayle.
friend Kayle. And today we're playing Grey Avenue and we are going on a camp trip.
Yup.
Pretty much. So let's get started. It's currently night right now. Right into this one.
Woo!
Dancing. Okay. Okay. Yes, we have been standing here dancing for pretty much an hour. We should get things on move so we know how to clear a trail and then like or same things on really. Okay, we should stop dancing. So I'm gonna go start packing. Okay, I'll be back. No, finish. Pretty much.
K.
Okay, alright. It's about that time. Yes, I'm gonna need a woman to pump me up. And let's see what in my CSC is trying to bring out a fabulous. Okay, I'm still singing that song, but anyway. Walking down.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Why is the moon still out? Like, bro, it's 10 a.m. right now. Like, why are you still out, moon? I'm barely even holding it. I'm technically just... I love holding it. I'm gonna put my stuff in the bag. Oh. I'm gonna put my escape on right here. Okay. Okay, I'm a bit sick, but anyway. We are technically... a pink van. Everything. We're a pink radio. Okay. Let me start some say. Is that one? This one. Yes,
We're
yes,
here.
here.
Ava, what tent do you want?
I want pink.
Okay.
Okay. Mom's having a light pink. And I don't know. Whoever wants this one can have it. Our cat likes to, so we're hoping she doesn't escape and run away into, to come here because we love our cats, she's a very cutie one. But might not see her in many weeks because normally she's sleeping, so we can't really
Are you hungry, Ava?
Yes, can I have something, please? Okay. Oh, I can't turn into the I should be until the 10. Nightfall, Okay, Yummy. Get Papa. I barely get boba. Yummy. Time to finish the rest of my food. Baby, I've been. Don't mind the clutter outside. That's for me. Ooh. Nah. Feel like need to jump and I can't get a tree. I got into my little key. What can I say? Oh, yeah, that's the way you do it. If you want to go back, yeah, you have to push back. Yeah, that's right. Sometimes you can't stop with these things, so you gotta be very cautious. Oh, I'm gonna run into the wall. There's my mom, she's skating. Skater girl. Do you like my swimmers, by the way? I really like them. No. Okay, that's stuck in my head now, but, thank you a lot. No. Mr. Nash Corner King. Okay. Your turn. Oof. Oof. Ah. Oof. Ah. Okay, I'm okay. You're going to play. You're going to so cool. Honestly, right now, I think I like this one better than hers. Because it's...
Okay, let's go back to camp.
2 hours. Okay. I just said, I heard her. She just said, let's go back to camp. So let's go back to camp, I guess. She's supposed to that. How are you supposed to be? Oh, I see. You're supposed to like go like this. Okay, yeah, I see. I see now. I see now. Okay. Okay. I like it. Okay. So it's good that I haven't came to this campsite yet, because we love, you know. So I just got into my pajamas. Now it's time for bed. That's okay, right? Okay, well, Mom? Oh, Mom's in the tent. Hmm? Oh, okay. Thank you, my friends. So, let me get some. Oh, this is so comfy. Yeah, it's so cool. Okay, I don't think I'm allowed out here at this time. Huh? Where'd she go? Oh, she's gone. Oh, okay. Water, I guess. Oh, she's gone good. I need to go to see Mommy. Mom! I am actually sick!
Okay, come. Here. No problem. Do you want to sleep next to me? Okay. Good night.
Well, guys, that's all for today. I hope you
Well, guys, that's all for today.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.